Once upon a time, in a charming little town, there lived an 8-year-old boy named CJ. CJ had a big dream. He wanted to become the best pizza chef the world had ever seen. With his big brown eyes full of determination and his heart filled with passion, he was ready to take on the world. Every day after school, CJ would run home, put on his tiny apron, and step into the cozy kitchen where the magic began. His kitchen, filled with the sweet aroma of dough and fresh ingredients, became his favorite place. He practiced rolling out dough, adding just the right amount of sauce, and sprinkling cheese as if it were pixie dust. Watch out, the culinary world. Here comes CJ. Georgia, CJ's mother, had striking red hair that seemed to light up the room. She supported CJ's dream wholeheartedly and often joined him in the kitchen, adding motherly tips and tricks to enhance his recipes. "Remember, a good chef always cooks with love," she would say, and CJ took this advice to heart. As weeks turned into months, CJ not only honed his cooking skills, but began to understand the importance of saving money. With a determined spirit, he set up a lemonade stand every weekend, squeezed lemons with a zest, and sold cups of joy to the friendly neighbors. Every coin he earned went into his bright yellow piggy bank, labeled Pizza Dreams Fund. CJ loved learning, especially about different recipes. He would borrow cookbooks from the library, studying new toppings, sauces, and dough techniques. He even attempted to make pizza in the shape of a dinosaur one day. Each day was a new adventure, filled with flour-dusted clothes and tomato-stained aprons, but CJ cherished each moment. One sunny morning, after months of practice and hard work, CJ felt ready to take the next leap toward his dream. With a now-filled pizza fund and a heart full of courage, he invited Georgia to a special place, a quaint spot in the town square where sunlight danced through the windows. "Mom, I want to open my own pizza restaurant," CJ exclaimed with a proud grin. The excitement in his voice was contagious. Georgia wrapped her arm around him. "I believe in you, CJ. Let's do this together." And so, CJ's Pizza Palace was born, a small but bustling shop where the laughter of children and the aroma of delicious pizzas filled the air. The walls adorned with cheerful colors and the tables full of happy families, the restaurant became a beloved spot in the town. But more important than the success was the heartwarming moment between CJ and his mom. One day, as they stood behind the counter, surrounded by their dreams come true, CJ turned to Georgia. His eyes sparkled, filled with gratitude. "Mom, will you be my restaurant manager?" Georgia laughed, her cheeks as red as her hair. "I would be honored, CJ." The story of CJ and his dream shows that, with determination, a sprinkle of hard work, and a dash of family support, nothing is impossible. And so, in that cheerful little shop, CJ's pizza dreams continued to flourish, inspiring all those who walked through the doors. Videos spread across YouTube and TikTok, sharing CJ's journey, a story of goals and dreams, and the joy of turning them into reality.